So we have our guest star, my daughter. So I'm explaining to her the mini savings challenge that we're gonna do. So we are saving money for you for later on in the future. Mommy is gonna save, Mommy and you are gonna save $5 for each envelope. So whenever we put in $5, we get to color one in, okay? Alright, so here, Mommy has $5 for you. So, yes, but I'm gonna save it for you. So, we are going, so I need you, okay, I need you to write a 5 here, please, up here.
Where?
In the middle, right there, the number 5. Okay, good job. No, just that one. We haven't put it, we only have one 5. So now you get to color it in. So what color do you want to color it in? Alright. So this one. Uh-oh.
That's okay.
Here, try.
Okay.
Okay, try to stay in the lines.
$24.
24. Okay, so we have to fill it 24 times. Okay, that sounds great. Hi, we're back. So we're gonna do the coins, and I'm gonna have my daughter do the coins. We currently have $19.83 in there, and I'm gonna have her stuff it, and we'll see how much we have at the end. We don't have that many coins because we've been swiping. So we have currently $21.30 that we have in our coin jar. So, yep. And
Diamond.
And that is it. That sums up our savings challenge video. We don't have more. Do you have secret money? No? Yes? Where's your secret money? Uh-oh, we do have secret money. Do you? Where's your secret?
But I have coins.
You have coins? Okay, we'll save it for the next time.
We still have more.
That's for your coin jar.
We still have more coins.
And that is it. That sums up my video. Thank you all for watching. I will catch you on the next one. Bye.
There's still more. There's still more. There's more pugs.
Those coins are your coins. These are Mommy's coins and the coins.
I don't need coins.